Morning students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to start the new lesson division. The new lesson, fourth one is there, division. Here students, in previous class all of you studied students division means what? Here students, division means making equal groups. Okay students, division is an sharing equal is there. Here students, for example, and division is repeated subtraction. Okay students, division is repeated subtraction. For example, here students, 8 divided by 2 equal to what? Here students, this one is division symbol. Okay students, this one is division symbol. In previous class all of you studied students, division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Okay students, here students, division is repeated subtraction. For example, 8 divided by 2, here equal to dash coming. Here students, 8 minus subtract, this one is subtraction symbol, no, minus 2 equal to 6. Here 2, no, otherwise you take 2, and here again coming 6. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. How many 2's here students? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4 2's, no, here write 4. 4 2 ja 8. Yes, no students? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 2, here write 4 2. This one is called, here you minus 2 2 is there. Here coming 0. This one is called division is repeated subtraction. Another one example is there. 6 divided by 3 equal to dash. Here 6 minus 3 equal to 3. This 3 here, right? 3 minus, again this one 3 here, right? 3 minus 3 equal to 0. How many 3's here? 1, 2 3's here. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2 3's, no? Here, right? 2. Division is repeated subtraction. And here students, division by making equal groups. Okay students, division by making equal groups, and division as equal sharing. Okay students, division as equal sharing. For example, here students, this one is one box. Here in this box 250 chocolates students. Okay, here this box 250 chocolates. How many chocolates in this box? 250 chocolates. And fourth standard, fourth class, how many students in fourth class students? 5 students. Okay students, in fourth class 5 students, 5 childrens. Here students, 250 chocolates in this box, and here 5 children. You equal share here. This 250 chocolates equal share. How to share equal? You first here take 5 and here 250, right? And here students, you do division is there. 5 5 ja 25, no? 0 0. This one 0 here, right? Okay students, 1 students, 1 children, how many chocolates coming? 50 chocolates coming. Here 5 students, no, 1 student 50 chocolates coming. This one is equal sharing. You 50 2 students, again 3 students, again 4 students, again 5 students. Yes, no? 50 100. This one 150, 200, 250. 1 2 3 4 5 5 students. Equal sharing, no? Yes, division means equal sharing. Okay students, division means what? Equal sharing. And here students, eight 96 964, and here, sorry, here 3 students. Okay, 3 964. Here some answer is there. Here students, this inside numbers is called dividend. Okay students, what called? Dividend. Dividend. And this one divisor. divisor, divisor. And this answer is called quotient. quotient, quotient. The division answer is called quotient, and this one is divisor, and this one is dividend. This one is dividend, divisor, quotient. And when last coming, that one is called remainder. Here students, dividend means students, dividend, the number to be divided is called dividend. Okay students, the number to be divided is called dividend. Which number you divide, no, that number is called dividend. Okay students, which number? This one is number divided, no, this number is called dividend. And divisor, divisor means here I not coming student. The number which divides is called divisor. Okay students, the number which divides is called divisor. Here students, which number you divides, no, that number is called divisor. This number is divides, no, this one is dividend, this one is divisor. And here quotient, the division answer is called quotient. Yes, when coming this one answer, that answer is called quotient students. Okay, the division answer is called quotient. And here students, remainder. Here students, this remainder when coming, when we are not able to equal group, there coming remainder. Okay students, for example, here 5 2 2 ja 4, 5 minus 4 1 coming, Yes, here 0 is not coming, here 1 coming. This one is called remainder. This one is not equal sharing. Here equal share you no students here. 2 share means only 4 coming. Another one is number here. Okay students, 5 is there. This one is 1 is called what? Remainder. This one is called remainder. This 2 is called here students. Which number is this one is 2 is there? Divisor. And this 5 is dividend. And this answer is quotient. Okay students. Divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. And here students. 2, 4. 2 2 ja 4. Minus. Here remainder coming? No students. Here not coming. This one is equal sharing is there. 2 2 you share here 2 2 is there. Equal sharing no. When you equal sharing not coming remainder. When we are not able to equal sharing there coming remainder. Okay students. And here students. Rules to verify division. Okay students, rules to verify division. When you division verify, that one rules. First one rules is there students. Divisor into quotient equal to dividend. Okay students, divisor into quotient equal to dividend. And another one is there, divisor into quotient and plus remainder equal to dividend. Here students, this one formula when use this one, when we use this one, when coming remainder this one you use rules. Okay students, when coming remainder that time you use this one rule, and when not coming remainder that time you use this one rules is there. For example here students, two 4 ja 8. 8 minus 8 0. Here remainder is not coming. Okay students, here remainder is not coming. This one is 2 is called divisor. Yes no? Divisor. And this 8 is called dividend. And this 4 is called quotient. And here you use this one rules. Here remainder is not coming, here remainder is 0 is there. You use this one first one rules. Divisor into quotient. Divisor which one here students? Divisor is 2 into quotient is 4 equal to 2 4 ja 8. Dividend coming. Divisor into quotient equal to dividend. You see here, divisor into quotient equal to dividend. This one is correct no? 2 4 ja 8. Divisor into quotient equal to, this one is dividend no? 8. This one is verify your answer. Okay students, this one is verify your division, verify your. And here students, another one is there. Here 11 is there. Here 5. 5 2 ja 10. You minus do here. Here coming students 1 is there. 11 minus 10 1, no, here remainder coming. When remainder coming, you use this one rule is there, divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend coming. Okay students, here divisor is which one? This one is divisor, this one is quotient, this one is remainder. Okay students, divisor into quotient, quotient is 2 plus remainder equal to what coming here? Dividend coming. 5 to the 10, 10 plus 1 11, dividend, this one is dividend. Here you verify your answer. Yes, this one is second one rule. When remainder coming, you use this one rule, and when not coming remainder when 0 coming, you use this one rule. Okay students, divisor into quotient equal to dividend. When coming the remainder, you use this one rule, divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Okay students.